Here's a new 2021 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, twin turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crane Highway in Bowie, Maryland.